So you want to start a new business but can't quite decide on which formation company to use between LegalZoom and Northwest Registered Agent? Don't worry, because I'm here to help. Both of these companies are equally popular and are top of the industry, so choosing between them can be a little tough. So in this video, I'll be digging deep into their services and discuss the pros and cons to help you decide the best option for your business. And as a bonus, later on in the video, I'll be providing you with an opportunity to grab my free business startup success checklist. And part of this complete guide will reveal my trustworthy registered agent who'll help set up your LLC for absolutely free, saving you time and money. So make sure to stick with me until the end. While both companies offer great online legal services, LegalZoom and Northwest Registered Agent have a lot to offer to their customers. Each have their own unique specialities and areas of focus. Established in 1999, LegalZoom started as a full-service legal provider. Today, they've expanded their services to include support for creating a new business and maintaining compliance. Meanwhile, Northwest Registered Agent has been simplifying incorporation and legal services since 1988, establishing itself as a leading provider of these services. As one of the pioneers in the industry, the company has helped over 2 million businesses to date. Now let's go ahead and compare the two in more detail. When searching for the best online legal service provider, you might want to make sure that what they offer gives you the best bang for your buck. So we're going to rate these services of these two companies according to their value for your money, ease of use, and customer service. Now let's see which company offers more value for your money. Other than formation service, LegalZoom and Northwest Registered Agent offer other business services as well. They provide services that can be availed separately, which gives you more flexibility in the pricing and the features. Generally, LegalZoom services are less expensive than Northwest Registered Agents. But let's take a deeper look. You can click on the special links in the description box below to access the best offer for both services. When it comes to LLC formation, both LegalZoom and Northwest Registered Agent offer similar services at similar price points. However, there are some differences between the two that can impact the value for money that you receive. To be honest, LegalZoom is a more cost-effective option compared to Northwest Registered Agent. LegalZoom's LLC formation service starts at $79 plus the state fees, which includes preparation and filing of the necessary formation documents, personalized operating agreement, and a 30-minute consultation with an attorney. LegalZoom also offers additional services such as a registered agent service, employer identification number or EIN application, and an annual report filing for an additional fee. Northwest Registered Agent's LLC formation service starts at $225 plus the state fees, which includes the preparation and filing of the necessary formation documents, lifetime customer support, and a free registered agent service for the first year. Northwest Registered Agent also offers additional service such as an EIN application, annual report filing, and operating agreement drafting for an additional fee. LegalZoom stands out due to its inclusion of more products and services in its LLC creation plans compared to Northwest Registered Agent. Here's a more in-depth analysis. LegalZoom offers 3 packages. The economy plan for $79 plus the state filing fees with an estimated processing time of 30 business days. The standard tier for $329 plus the state filing fees with an estimated processing time of 15 business days. And the Express Gold tier for $349 plus the state filing fees with an estimated processing time of 10 business days, offering the fastest service of the 3. Their packages include services like preparing and filing articles of organization, a free registered agent for 1 year, a custom operating agreement, and a free business tax consultation with a tax professional. Their services also come with a satisfaction guarantee. It's important to compare the services and fees of each company before making a decision. If you need ongoing support and additional services, such as a registered agent service, then Northwest Registered Agent's higher initial fee could potentially provide better value. But if you only need basic LLC formation services, then LegalZoom may be a better option in terms of value for money due to its lower price point. In comparison, the cheapest formation package for Northwest Registered Agent starts at $225 and only includes a free registered agent for 1 year. Northwest Registered Agent is one of the most expensive formation companies in the industry, and for this reason, LegalZoom takes the win for this category. Now let's see which platform is more user-friendly and easy to use. Both LegalZoom and Northwest Registered Agent are user-friendly platforms that make it easy to form an LLC online. However, there are some differences in their ease of use that are worth considering. In this category, Northwest offers a more streamlined process, so their website is easy to navigate, and placing an order is quick and easy. It offers more personalized support, so the platform assigns you a dedicated team of formation experts who will guide you through the process of forming your LLC and answer any questions that you may have and provide ongoing support even after your LLC is formed. LegalZoom requires customers to first provide personal information during their subscription process and then offers costly upsells after allowing customers to select a formation package. Customers will need to select add-on services before choosing a membership plan, which can be a bit confusing. To utilize the services of Northwest, you only need to furnish your personal details and make payment for your request. And as you choose your state from the drop-down menu in the application, the estimated processing time will be displayed on the screen. The processing time may vary significantly based on the state, with some states taking just a few business days to process requests, while others take several weeks. Northwest Registered Agent emerges as the clear winner for this category. Do you find information like this useful for your business? If yes, then please let me know by liking my video and hitting that subscribe button for more high-quality content just like this. Excellent customer service is very important. So let's find out which company is better in this category, shall we? LegalZoom surpasses Northwest in terms of customer support services. LegalZoom support is available from Monday to Friday from 5 a.m. to 7 p.m. and on weekends from 7 a.m. to 4 p.m. In contrast, Northwest Registered Agent support page states that if it's between 6 a.m. to 4 p.m. PST, they might be busy assisting other clients. As for Northwest, I tried their customer support chat on their website, but it took a while before someone could help me. It also takes time to get someone on the phone for their phone support, and they take even longer to respond to emails. Northwest Registered Agent does not have a customer service department. All their employees handle customer queries and complaints, which might be the reason for the delay in their response time. In their reviews, LegalZoom and Northwest Registered Agent had their own customer issues and complaints, but with respect to the reputation for good customer service, LegalZoom is the clear winner. There are still a few more essential things to discuss regarding your business setup. However, talking about these may drag this video out a little bit too long, so I've condensed everything into an actionable step-by-step business startup success checklist that you can grab from here for absolutely free. To paint a better picture for both companies, let's then discuss the pros and cons of using Northwest Registered Agent and LegalZoom. Let's start off with LegalZoom. LegalZoom is more cost-effective compared to Northwest Registered Agent. LegalZoom offers a 60-day money-back guarantee, which is a more extended trial period than most other online legal services. They also provide access to tax lawyers and a yearly business appraisal by a lawyer, which other online legal companies don't typically offer. LegalZoom's customer feedback is inconsistent, with a 3.4 rating out of 5 on SiteJabber. Although most of the comments are 5-star ratings, there are also many criticisms. The level of customer support varies, as is typical with large corporations, with some customers having positive experience with sales representatives, while others feel like they've been taken advantage of. Now let's look into Northwest Registered Agent. Their website is simple and easy to use. Their purchasing process is straightforward and very customer-friendly. They're experts in what they do, having been in the industry the longest. Northwest Registered Agent is one of the most expensive formation companies to this date. Their customer support is absolutely disappointing and needs a whole lot of improvement. After extensive research on LegalZoom and Northwest Registered Agent, I can definitely say that LegalZoom outperforms Northwest Registered Agent. LegalZoom beats Northwest with 2 category wins: value for money and satisfactory customer support. This leaves Northwest winning the ease of use category. LegalZoom has a lot to offer to its customers, and LegalZoom is the perfect match for you if you want comprehensive support on your LLC formation and in-depth legal assistance. Do you want to find out more about Northwest Registered Agent and LegalZoom? Then be sure to check out these next 2 videos where I provide a detailed review and tutorial on their services. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.